Hey guys, it's your girl Neeklin and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by Ebonyline and I'm going to be reviewing their Ultima Dalva Collection protein hair in the Ripple Wave bulk braid in the 18-inch. So again, this is bulk hair, and so it's not pre-looped, but it is pre-sectioned in the small rubber bands that you see here. One of the first things I noticed about this hair is that it is very soft and it really does have a human hair feel to it. So one of the things that I really appreciated about the hair is that the way that it was able to separate. So I don't know if you guys have used other brands before, like when you're trying to add this type of hair into like a goddess style or what have you. Just the separation alone on that hair can just be treacherous. So the fact that I was able to just split this hair right up was a major plus for me. Another awesome thing about this hair is that it has the ability to be curled, which, as we all know, you really can't curl synthetic hair. So if you really want to see the capabilities of this hair and see me go through a style, I'm going to let you go ahead and just continue to watch this video. Make sure that you watch it all the way to the end because I did do a demonstration curling the hair as well. So again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this video, coming back to my channel. I hope that you enjoy the style and be sure to watch to the end. And as always, guys, God bless, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soak in the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. don't take it. Take it, just don't deal and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't deal and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.